Hello people, this is fluffioh coming at y'all with a pack opening of the Cosmo Blazer. I went to my local comic book store and picked up some of these, hoping to pull something that I could get some money on, you know. And guess we'll get right into it. I'm using my phone, so the opening is going to be kind of one-handed. And as y'all can see, I'm doing it on my keys and map, which was a friend of mine. So I consider it lucky. So yeah, we got Garbage Lord, Tensu, Hazy Glory, a Double Shark, Heraldic Beast Leo, a Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Horse Prince. In Armalise, something, I don't know what it's called. Fire Formation Tinkin, and Red Dust On. Okay. Hopefully I can pull like a bear or something, that would be amazing. Maybe a Sunbird for Star Strike Lois. I know she loves those. I am just saying, Star Trek rules, I am going to have more Sunbirds than you. I'm going to start picking those up. Okay. I got a Pyrotech Mech something, I don't know how to pronounce it. Abyss, or Mermail Abyssmus, Heraldic Beast Unicorn, the Big Cattle Drive, what is this? Ultimate Fire Formation Saito? Something like that. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Hawk, Ghost, Leotor, and Dimension Gate. I didn't really good at that. The only thing I got was Smith Fire Formation. Okay, next pack. Okay, we pulled a Hazy Pillar for the first one. We got another Double Shark, and After the Storm, another Pyrotech thingy, Hazy Flame Manicore, the Scorn, Garbage Ogre, the Flower thingy, and then these Remar, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry about that, guys. First, start off with another Heraldic Beast Unicorn, a Direct Impact, another Hazy Pillar, Fire Fist Raven, Hyper. Wow, they make these rares like gold now or something. Hyper Ancient Shark Megalodon, Aziz Doubleback, the Garbage Ogre, the Scorn, and the Cerberus, Hazy Flame Cerberus. Not really anything good up until the only hollow card that I got was Fire Fist Synchro. Maybe these last few packs would be lucky. I think the Sunbird would be nice or something. My luck is horrible with packs, so I usually never buy them. But for y'all, I will keep these more often. Fire Fist, Tensu, Bacon Saver, a little card. Zero, Zerok, Hazy Flame, Pyroton. Ooh, thank you, that's nice. Leotor, fish thingy. The only thing we got out of that was. Did I get a rare? Wow. I did not get a rare out of this one. Wait, no, I did. Hey. I'll make a hazy deck out of this. Okay. Next one. Last pack, guys. hopefully I can get something. Make my money back at least. Another After the Storm, Pyrotechnic, Dragon Pact, Dojo Bot, Brotherhood of the Firefist Gorilla, that's the next one. Another Tenki at least. I don't have to go through that. That. Wow, not even a Sunbird. I would love a Sunbird. So, yeah, most of this is just random commons and hazy stuff. That's the only thing. Rares, all these. I don't even know what the ultimate proclamation does. Well, that's all that does right there, and then the only haul I got was for today. So, there's that for you. Tell me what y'all think of me doing these. I'll go maybe once every 2 weeks and go pick up 6 packs of the newest edition, or I can pick up a pack that y'all want to see, depending on if they have it. And so yeah, yeah, I'm really inconsistent with my videos, but yeah, I don't really. My schedule is really hectic right now, so. Later on, maybe later down the week, or maybe later tonight, I'll do my thoughts on the YCS Miami. Shout out to Vexcus466. Thank you for all the coverage that you did on Facebook. You updated everything every 5 minutes, which was amazing. You're 10 times better than Konami. So yeah. Fluffioh signing off. Peace.